Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use Facebook Messenger app in very easiest way. So Facebook Messenger app is a free app. You can use it on mobile, laptop, computer. Through this, you can send audio message, video message, audio call, video call, or you can send any type of document through this, and you can send also audio recording, video recording. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook app, and then you will see on top right messenger icon. Click on it. In this way, your messenger will be attached with your Facebook, and your Facebook friend will be come on your messenger friends. When those friends which you want to connect, click on their name, and you will see the options. Here you will see on top right phone options, and then if you will click on it, then audio call will start. If you will click on camera icon, then video call will start. And here are many options at the bottom. If you will click on camera icon, then you can send live videos and pictures. If you will click on it, and then if you will click it, then it will quick send. And if you will click on this icon, then you can send any type of video, pictures from your galleries. When you will click it, and it will quick send to your friends. So when you will click on send, it will quick send. Or here is also a microphone options. When you will click it, audio message will start. So when you pause it, and you will see different options. Here you can delete it, you can resume it, and you can send it. If you want to send text message, then write here any message, and then click on it, then text message will be sent. So here you can send different type of emojis to your friends. So when you will go back, you will see different options at the bottom. If you will click on calls, then your call history will be on this page. And here are also a people icon. If you will click on it, those people which are added to your Facebook, then they are here. You can, if you will click on it, then you can also chat, call with your friends. So if you will click on stories, you can see the stories of your friends which they have posted. So in this way, you can use Facebook Messenger app in very easiest way. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you will face any kind of problem, then let me know. I will repeat for you. Thanks for watching.